Welcome to Nagas Hotelicious. In this video, we're going to see the preparation of the Navaratri 4th day offering recipes. So, we're going to see the preparation of the Sigappu Aval Payasam and the Sigappu Karamani Sundal. So, first, let us see the preparation of the Sigappu Aval Payasam for morning. So, take 1 cup of the red aval or the red poha. Wash it well and soak it for 15 minutes. So this is neither the flat or nor the round poha, it is the medium poha. So I am soaking it for 15 minutes and then after 15 minutes drain the water. And now set a frying pan on a moderate flame. Add quarter a cup of water and then add 1 cup of crushed jaggery and heat it on a moderate flame till the entire jaggery is going to get converted into a liquid consistency. So in between we have to stir it intermittently so that the jaggery doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the bowl. And once it starts to boil, so wait till we obtain this consistency. At this stage, add the soaked poha into the jaggery syrup and mix well. Now to this, add a cup of boiled milk or coconut milk and mix well and set aside. And now take a separate frying pan. In that add approximately 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of cashews and half a cup of grated coconut and roast till golden brown. So the blending of the ghee with the cashews and the coconut gives it a nice aroma. You can add even a pinch of cardamom powder to this. It will give a very nice aroma. And now transfer it into a different bowl. The aval payasam and also the roasted contents. The roasted contents may be used for garnishing the aval payasam. So the healthy aval payasam is ready. So for morning, it is the Sigappu Aval Payasam for the Navratri day 4. Now let us go into the evening recipe, Sigappu Karamani Sundal. So for this, I have taken this Sigappu Karamani of about 1 cup. So take 1 cup of the red or the Sigappu Karamani and allow it to soak in water for exactly 10 minutes. Please don't over soak it or else it will get smashed when you prepare the Sundal. So after 10 minutes, pressure cook the karamani for 4 whistles. And after 4 whistles, allow it to cool. Now take a separate frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, any healthy cooking oil will do. I have taken groundnut oil. And to that heat it on a moderate pan and to that add 1 teaspoon of the mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of the urid dal and allow the mustard seeds to splutter. You can add 4 red chilies and a sprig of curry leaves. And now once they're all fried, add the cooked karamani into the contents in the frying pan and now mix well. And to this I am adding the salt to taste. So here I am adding the water because I use rock salt which is dissolved in water. So mix the karamani with the roasted contents, close it for 2 minutes and set aside because we have to give it the time to blend for the cooked karamani and the roast contents to get together. Now you might wonder why I didn't add cumin seeds, because after 2 minutes I am going to add the sundal podi. And the preparation of the sundal podi, I have given it in the description box. Please check it because for throughout Navratri, wherever you prepare the sundal, you can add the sundal podi. So after we mix, The sundal podi with the karamani contents. Evening sigappu karamani sundal is ready. And why we going for all the sigappu things for today is because it is Tuesday. So that was the preparation of the Sigappu Aval Payasam and Sigappu Karamani Sundal for day 4 of Navaratri 2020. Hope you liked the video. Please try the recipe, and if you get it well, let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching Naga's Odalicious, and we'll meet you in the next videos with more such recipes for Navaratri. Stay blessed, stay safe. Till then, it's bye from Naga's Odalicious.